One student dead, 3 other students seriously hurt. New information about today's deadly stabbing attack on the UT Austin campus from classmates of the accused attacker.
If I had been there like I was planning to, maybe I could have reasoned with him.
So much has developed in just the last 30 minutes. What was initially shock is now giving way to grief. And students have reached out to us with new details about the stabbing suspect, Kendrex White, a biology major at UT. Our team coverage begins with KXAN's Alyssa Gord. Alyssa, you spoke with a student who shared a biology class with White.
Shannon, Josh Anderson said that it wasn't until the photos of the suspect came out on social media that he realized it was actually someone who he'd sat next to in class and known the whole semester. Now, Josh Anderson also said that Kendrex White was on a pre-health track, which he says can be stressful. And when Kendrex told him last week that he had a lot going on outside of class, taking his mind off of academics, Anderson said he didn't think too much of it. But now he wonders if there could have been a connection. Anderson says that all semester, White has been nice and hardworking. It doesn't make sense that the guy he talked to in biology could be behind this kind of attack.
He's amiable, like completely friendly, not the quiet kid in the back of the class, not the person stereotyped to do this kind of thing. Not at all. He is very nice. He doesn't have any kind of disdain toward anybody, like any kind of Greek life or anything. No, he's just nice to everybody, and it seemed completely out of the blue.
And another thing that Josh Anderson said to me about the photos that he saw of Kendrex White being arrested, the bandana that Kendrex was wearing there, Josh said that the bandana was something that he wore regularly. But the knife that was on Kendrex's side, Josh said he'd never seen that before. Reporting live from the UT campus, Shannon, will send it back to you in the studio.
Alyssa, thank you. Here's what else we know about White. His Facebook account shows he graduated from Killeen High School in 2014. Travis County records show he was arrested and charged with DWI on April 4th of this year. The arrest affidavit says White crashed at the corner of Whitus and Dean Keaton. When an officer spoke to White, he said he took 2 happy pills, which were listed as Zoloft. The